Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Neetika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. As I promised, I have got a stock which has posted very good Q1 results and I will discuss its fundamental and buying level for the long term. But before that, I will analyze the Q1 results, and this is very good, fundamentally very good stock. So to know the buying level, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel to know the buying level for these kind of fundamentally strong stock for the long term. So let's start with the name of the stock. The name of the stock is VBL. VBL posted Q1 result today. So Q1 results was very good and it has rallied today about 3%. It was 3% up today. And if I will go to the results, so VBL has posted net profit which is up by 26.2% at 993, means 993.8 crore, versus last year it was 787.4 crore. So y on y I am discussing. So y on y the increase is 26.2% in net profit. And if we go to the revenue is up by 13.6%, which is 5699.7 crore. And this was in last year it was 5017.5 crore. So y on y 13.6% jump in revenue. EBITDA is up by 21% at 1511 crore, which was in last year 1250.4 crore only. So EBITDA में भी 21% का jump आया है y on y, which is also very good. और जो main important thing, if you talk about the important thing which is margin, तो margin is 26.5% in this Q1, which was in last year 25% y on y. So 25% से 26.5% का margin jump हुआ है, which is actually very good. Company is able to maintain its margin, or fundamental we will discuss later, which is very good of this stock, this company. So this is actually Q1 result, which is I find very good in this season. Now let's talk about the fundamental. So before that, let me introduce little bit about this company. Let me give you small introduction about this company. This is actually franchises of bottle of कार्बोनेट सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक, जो कार्बोनेट बीवरेज बनाती है ये कंपनी. कंपनी प्रोड्यूसेस एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स प्रोडक्ट्स सच एज पेप्सी, डाइट पेप्सी एंड सेवन अप ऑल्सो. यस, सेवन अप भी इनका ब्रांड है. तो पेप्सी और सेवन अप. नाउ विल डिस्कस द फंडामेंटल. इफ यू गो टू द पीयर, तो एक्चुअली ये एक लार्ज कैप कंपनी है. लार्ज कैप कंपनी है और ये दिस इज ट्रेडिंग एट 822. It is trading at 822 and this is a large cap company. Yes, and the market cap is 1,06,800.48. 1,06,800.48 का मार्केट कैप है, जो कि अपने इसके पीयर्स में सबसे बड़ा इसका मार्केट कैप है. P is 56.8, almost 57, which I find actually reasonable value, जो कि अपनी मीडियन P के आसपास ही है, exactly आसपास ही है. तो I find it very good, quite okay. But yes, it is not undervalued. It is reasonably valued. Dividend yield is not good. It is only 0.06%. I don't find it is actually, the company is giving good dividend. Profit growth is okay, 26.21%. ROC is 27.77%, which is actually very good. बहुत ही अच्छा ROC है और बहुत ही अच्छा ROE, return on equity, that is also very good, which is 33.54. the beyond the expectation. We only expect okay 15% is okay, 12% is also okay, but this company is giving the return on equity is 33.54%. So quite very good. Debt to equity is 0.57 0.57, which is actually very negligible, I will say, not so much, मतलब quite okay. Debt to equity is बहुत थोड़े से debt पे, yes, company is working on debt, of course. Plus share is almost zero zero, मतलब very less, 0.04. कैश फ्लो भी अच्छा है, or this is also good. So overall the fundamental, I find fundamental is very good. Now let's discuss what can be the buying level for this stock for the long term, because this stock already run up, quite run up before also, but from some time it is little bit consolidating. और इसका अभी कुछ ही month before it has given the split, I guess. Yes, it has given the split also. And so price has been actually reduced by after split. So it is trading at 800. Actually, what was the low? 800. Yes, it is trading around 800. So let's find out what can be the buying level for the long term for this stock, as it is fundamentally very good. So it is trading at 824, around 800. And I, if we see, it is exactly taking, if we see, it is exactly taking a good support at 50 EMA. 50 EMA के आसपास एक बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट ये कई दिनों से, मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, मीन्स लास्ट 2 वीक से ये अच्छा खासा सपोर्ट यहाँ पे 50 EMA पे ले रहा है. एंड इट हैज़ नॉट ब्रोकन इट टिल नाउ. एंड it has moved towards the, even it has broken today. Yes, it has broken the 20 EMA also, and it has given a very good and positive move today. So I find now it will go up, as but market is actually falling. Market is not showing good strength, so maybe it may fall also. If it's breaking 50 EMA this level, so of course it will come to this level 770 के आसपास. तो 770 के आसपास, तो it's a very very good buying zone for the stock. But if I don't know if it's coming here or not. If it's still, it is trading the price, it is also a good buying level, like 800 to 825, but 800 to 870 के आसपास भी बहुत अच्छा बाइंग लेवल है इस स्टॉक का. बट स्टिल आई फाइंड if it comes here at 770 around, so 770 to 870 is a very good buying level for the stock. And after this it will give a breakout, but let it reach to this 870 level. Maybe it can take resistance here and will come back again. तो थोड़े दिन तक देखते हैं ये क्या करता है यहाँ पे आके, that will see there only. But अभी के लेवल पे, if you want for long term, it's not a trading idea, it's if you want for long term, it is at actually it's buying at its buying zone. And buying level for the VBL for long term, 770 to 870. And target after breaking 870, target can be even 1000 plus also. To know the buying level for Cipla, click the right button, and to know the buying level for LNT, click the left button. Signing off.